Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can take a screenshot without using the volume and power button of your phone. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to take a screenshot even without using the volume and power button of your phone, it's actually so easy. So to do that, first, I want you to go to your phone settings. And after opening your settings, next, I want you to search screenshot right here. And after searching, you will now be able to see the screenshot option right here, which is where you can set your screenshot settings, so just go and tap it. So here in the screenshot settings, you will now be able to see the two different ways to take a screenshot on your phone. So the first way is what we commonly use, which is by holding the volume and power button of our phone at the same time. But what if we can't use this method because of some circumstances, like for example, what if one of your phone buttons is broken? Then how are we gonna take a screenshot? So for that problem, the solution is very simple. You just need to use the second method of taking a screenshot instead, which is by sliding down your three fingers on your phone screen at the same time. But before you can use this method, make sure to turn it on first. And once it's turned on, you can now take a screenshot. Just slide down your three fingers on your phone screen at the same time to take a screenshot. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, you have now taken your screenshot. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.